Leash training can be stressful if your dog hates wearing one, but with patience and the right approach, it's entirely manageable. Many dogs resist the leash due to fear, discomfort, or lack of experience. By introducing the leash gradually, using positive reinforcement, and turning walks into a fun and rewarding experience, you can help your dog feel comfortable and confident. Proper leash training not only makes walks safer and more enjoyable, but also strengthens your bond, giving your dog the freedom to explore without stress or anxiety. Today we'll talk about training a dog that hates the leash. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. Leash anxiety. Training a dog that hates the leash begins with understanding why they react negatively. Some dogs have had past trauma, while others may feel restricted or uncomfortable due to the leash itself. Signs of leash anxiety include pulling, freezing, spinning, barking, or attempting to escape. Recognizing these behaviors as fear or discomfort rather than disobedience is essential. Understanding the root cause helps you design patient, positive training strategies. Observing the dog's body language, tail position, ear posture, or eye contact can indicate stress levels. Avoid forcing a dog onto the leash, as this can exacerbate fear. Instead, approach training with empathy, building trust gradually. By addressing the psychological and physical discomfort, you lay the foundation for successful leash training and a calmer, more cooperative walking experience. 2. Choosing the right equipment. Selecting appropriate gear is critical for leash-hating dogs. Use a comfortable, well-fitting harness or head halter instead of a collar, which can increase pressure and discomfort. A lightweight leash about 4 to 6 feet long gives some freedom while maintaining control. Avoid retractable leashes initially, as they can create tension or unpredictability, worsening anxiety. Test different materials and styles to see what your dog tolerates best. Soft, padded options reduce irritation and prevent chafing. Ensure the leash is introduced gradually, allowing the dog to sniff, explore, and get used to its feel. Proper equipment not only increases comfort but also boosts confidence, making the leash a neutral or even positive object rather than a source of fear. 3. Gradual leash introduction. Start by introducing the leash in a safe, familiar environment without pressure. Allow the dog to see, sniff, and interact with the leash while offering treats and praise. Slowly clip the leash on while rewarding calm behavior. Avoid immediately taking the dog outside if they show tension or resistance. Instead, let them move around indoors while tethered, associating the leash with positive experiences. Repetition in a calm setting builds confidence. Use toys, treats, and gentle encouragement to create a positive connection. Gradually increase leash exposure until the dog remains relaxed while attached. This step is crucial for preventing fear or defensive reactions and sets the tone for future outdoor walks. 4. Desensitization through short walks. Once comfortable with the leash indoors, progress to very short walks, even just a few steps outside. Keep the distance manageable to prevent stress and reinforce calm behavior with treats and verbal praise. Allow the dog to explore at their own pace. Gradually increase walk length and exposure to new stimuli, always staying below the dog's stress threshold. Stop or redirect if the dog shows signs of fear or tension. Consistent, small steps prevent overwhelming the dog and teach that being on the leash is safe and enjoyable. Short, positive experiences reinforce confidence and reduce leash-related anxiety. 5. Using positive reinforcement. Positive reinforcement is key in leash training. Reward calm, cooperative behavior immediately with high-value treats, verbal praise, or play. Avoid scolding or pulling, which can worsen leash fear. Timing is essential. Rewards should follow the desired behavior instantly. Reinforce walking at your side, staying relaxed, and exploring safely without pulling. Over time, the dog associates leash walks with enjoyable outcomes, shifting perception from restrictive to rewarding. Reinforcement encourages learning and cooperation, making leash walks stress-free and engaging. 6. Encouraging loose leash walking. Teaching loose leash walking is crucial for leash-hating dogs. Start indoors or in a quiet area, holding the leash loosely. Stop walking whenever the dog pulls, waiting for slack before continuing. Use treats or verbal praise to reward walking beside you without tension. Gradually introduce distractions in outdoor environments while maintaining loose leash behavior. Loose leash walking prevents frustration and gives the dog control without anxiety. Consistent practice ensures walks are calm, safe, and enjoyable. 7. Redirecting fearful behavior. Leash-hating dogs may display spinning, barking, or sudden lunges. Redirect these behaviors with commands like sit, watch me, or heel. Offer treats or praise for compliance, helping the dog focus on desired actions rather than fear. Avoid punishment, which can increase anxiety. Redirection teaches the dog alternative, positive behaviors during stressful situations. Combining redirection with calm reassurance builds trust and reduces leash-associated fear over time. 8. Incorporating mental stimulation. Engage your dog's mind during leash training to reduce anxiety and focus on positive experiences. Use treats, scent games, or short obedience exercises while on the leash. Mental stimulation diverts attention from fear and reinforces calm behavior. Rotate exercises to maintain engagement and interest. A mentally engaged dog is more likely to walk calmly, respond to commands, and enjoy leash experiences. Combining physical and mental enrichment enhances overall training success. 9. Gradual exposure to busy environments. Once your dog walks calmly in quiet areas, slowly introduce busier locations. Start at low traffic times and maintain distance from triggers. Reward calm behavior consistently, gradually reducing distance and increasing exposure. Controlled progression prevents overwhelming the dog and reinforces positive associations. Practice patience and maintain short, frequent sessions in new environments. Gradual exposure ensures the dog remains confident, safe, and manageable, even in high-stimulus areas. 10. Patience and long-term consistency. Leash training a fearful dog requires patience, consistency, and long-term commitment. Progress may be slow, with setbacks along the way. Avoid forcing the dog or showing frustration, and always reinforce calm, cooperative behavior. Maintain consistent commands, routines, and reward systems across all family members. Celebrate small victories and gradually expand leash experiences. Long-term commitment ensures the dog builds confidence, enjoys walks, and develops a positive relationship with the leash, creating a stress-free, happy walking routine for both dog and owner. 11. Celebrating progress and building confidence. Celebrate every small success during leash training, as positive reinforcement builds confidence and strengthens your bond. Even minor achievements like taking a few steps without resistance or calmly observing a trigger should be rewarded with praise, treats, or play. Keep a record of milestones to track improvement and maintain motivation for both you and your dog. Encourage family members to celebrate the dog's progress consistently, ensuring everyone reinforces calm behavior in the same way. Over time, these small victories accumulate, transforming leash walking from a stressful activity into a positive, enjoyable experience. Building confidence gradually allows the dog to associate the leash with safety and fun, making future walks smoother and more relaxed. Patience, recognition, and encouragement are key to sustaining long-term success and ensuring your dog develops a lasting positive relationship with the leash. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please give it the thumbs up. Leave a comment and click the button to subscribe.